I have a Paramount Infloor pool cleaning system with a broken pop-up head. I have purchased the replacement pop-up head with the threaded ring, which screws into another threaded piece that appears to be poured into the concrete. The second threaded piece is cracked and it won't hold the new threaded piece. Could you recommend a means of repair?
Whoa. While it's Paramount, there's still several versions of a Paramount head, and I'm trying to think if I remember if you have a new head. It seems to me the body that gets cemented, concreted into the shell of the pool is one piece. I don't know what the second ring is, and so I don't know that I'm qualified to answer that for you. As long as you're using the tool, if anything were to hold that head in, it would be in the bottom of the body. There's teeth, for the lack of a better term, that are molded into the plastic so that when you push the head down and spin it, it locks it into place. And as far as I know, to replace the head, every Paramount system I've done and that I've used their heads, it's a simple head is one piece, the body is one piece, and there's not much that could break on that. So maybe pictures, if you could show me what it is, I could point you in a better direction, but I'm short of that, I'm not really sure what to be able to tell you.